Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain about that how we can calculate the probability of mutually exclusive event using the additive rule of probability. You already know that in which situation we can use the additive rule of probability, and if you don't know, you can watch a video on the link given in the description of this video so you can see in which situation we can use additive rule of probability. Perhaps this is given in this video as well, so you can see. Just watch this video and you will see that in which situation we need to use additive rule of probability for mutually exclusive event. It is already explained that what is meant by mutually exclusive event. So mutually exclusive events are the events which cannot occur together. Like you can see this on the screen that the sample space is represented by S and denoted by S and represented by the square, the triangle, and event A and B are represented by the green and the red circle respectively. So you can see that there is no common point in the events A and B, so that these events are called mutually exclusive events. And if you want to have an example from the real life, that can be success and failure. In gender, we can say male and female. And if you toss a coin, you can get head or tail, but not both together. So that. These are the some of the example of mutually exclusive events. And then now we need how we can calculate this type, the probability of this type of events using the additive rule of probability. So let's go and see how we can do this. Okay. Okay, now we can see that this is the statement. This can be the potential statement about the problem. And let's suppose there are two mutually exclusive events A and B, which is obviously mutually exclusive because there is no common point. They are not occurring together. Then the probability of occurrence of event A or B, either of A and B, or at least one of them, or at least one of them can be calculated by using the additive rule of probability. So that this equation, the first equation, is the general additive rule of probability, and we deduce the equation given below for mutually exclusive events. So this means that the probability of A or B, we generally say in statistics we write this by A union B, and that is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So this is the general rule of probability, and this is also applicable to the not mutually exclusive events because they have this portion as we explained in the previous video. The link is given in the description of this video, so you can go and watch that how we can do this portion. But in this case, in mutually exclusive event, there is no common point, so that's mean the probability of this is 0. So there is even you don't need to mention this portion, this part in the equation when we are dealing with the mutually exclusive event like this, in the case which is given in this figure. So in this case, when the events are mutually exclusive, this equation reduced to the probability of A or B is equal to probability of A union B. That is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. So this is just the sum of the probability of A and B. And if you have more events like you included as event C in this sample space, then that can be probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C. And you need to include here probability of A or B or C, or that's equal to probability of A union B union C, and so on if you have more events. So I think this is enough for today, and see you in the next video. Ciao.